5. All right. Tamba Ali, Josh Cribbs, Dustin Keller, Sean Lee. We got a Kendall Wright, Hot Rookies, foil. TJ Graham, Von Miller. We got Ron Wembley, Cameron Bill. Oh, we got Julius Peppers, Bears fan here. Jermichael Finley, Frank Gore. We got Dave Akers, 44 field goals made, numbers game. Robert Griffin, a third rookie. There we go. Patrick Peterson. We got Jeremy Mincy. Tommy Brady. Yeah. Donald Brown. Devon Bess. We got Doug Martin, hot rookies. Kendall Wright, rookie. Dexter McCluster, foil. When I say foil, it just feels kind of like it's foil on the card. I gotta check out what that means. We got a Marshawn Lynch, Matt Hasselbeck, Calvin Johnson, Hall of Famer, Jermaine Grisham. We got Vincent Jackson from the hometown Bucks. Yeah, I live in Tampa Bay. Brian Cook, another RG3, this time a foil rookie. Okay, a little different rookie. I like it. We got 3 packs left. Can we get it in 30 seconds? I don't think so. Get this pack. All right. We got Antoine Barnes, Jake Locker. Where'd he go? Hakeem Nicks. We got Toby Gerhart. We got an Alshon Jeffrey rookie. Morris Claiborne. Lawrence Timmons foiled card.